Hello! Today I have here some Play-Doh Surprise Eggs that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to start today. I'm going to open up my favorite color, which is the pink egg. Let's see what's inside the pink egg. Oh, inside the pink egg is a blue egg. And let's see what's inside of that. Oh, look. A little cow. Okay, which egg should we open next? How about the red egg? Let's see what's inside the red egg. Oh, there's a green egg inside. And let's see what is inside this green egg. A little horse. Yay! Here, I'll move them. Let me see these cute little animals. Okay, let's open the orange egg next. Here's a yellow egg inside. Let's see what animal we got. Oh, here is a little orange fish, just like Nemo. I don't know what a fish says. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Okay, our yellow egg. Let's see what's inside. An orange egg. And inside our orange egg is... what is it? A chicken. Next, let's open our brown egg, our tan egg. And there's a blue egg inside. What animal do you think it is? Look, it's a duck. Cute little duck. We'll put him by the fish. Okay. Let's open our aqua-colored egg. There's a purple one inside. I wonder what animal we'll get in our purple egg. Ready? Ooh! Horse. Another horse. This one's running. Cute. Okay, we'll put him by the horse and the cow. Let's open our green egg. Here's our green egg. What color egg is inside? Oh, it's a pink egg, my favorite color. Here's our pink egg. Let's open it up. Oh, here's a kangaroo inside. Boing, 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 boing. We'll put the kangaroo by the duck. And we have 3 more eggs to open. Our purple egg. There's a green one inside. Let's see what's inside this egg. Oh, a black and white panda bear. Okay, we'll put him by our black and white cow. And 2 more eggs. Let's open the blue egg. We have a pink egg inside the blue egg. And inside the blue egg, ooh, look. We got a purple dragon. Think he can breathe fire? There's our purple dragon. We'll put him with his friends. Okay, and last is our white egg. Let's see what the white egg is. An orange egg inside. Oh, got a white unicorn. Cool unicorn. That's great. We'll put the unicorn with the horses. Should we count how many animals we got? Let's see what we have. We have 1 kangaroo, a horse, a unicorn, another horse, a panda bear, a cow, a yellow duck, an orange fish, a purple dragon, and a chicken. Let's see how many that is all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 animals. That was fun. I'm glad open up the